Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at how to get values from your user. So here I'm gonna, we've already done this. I'm gonna create print and I'm gonna print out a message. Let's say hello world. Or you know what? I'm gonna say my name, Basif. So if I run this right now, run this, it's gonna print out Basif as you can see right here. But what if I don't want to? I don't want to give Basif myself. What if I want the user to give to me their name? What do I do then? Well, there's this function which is kind of like print. It's called input. Now, input, what this does is it inputs a value from the user. It gets a value from the user. So I run the program again. So I can see a Basif here, and it doesn't do anything with the value, but we can change that later. But as you can see, it directly asks me for the name. But what if I want to add a message behind this saying like, oh, put your name here, right? What do I have to do for that? Well, inside of the input function, what you can do is you can put some quotes and then you can write your message here. Put your name here, like this. Now, if I run this again, it's gonna say put your name here, and then I'm gonna say my name is Basif. Okay, it does nothing with it again. So now we have to print this out. But first, we have to get it into a variable. So I'm going to create a variable called name. I'm going to make it equal to input. So what this does is this returns a name, and then this variable stores that name. So it returns it, and the variable stores it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to print name. Simple as that. We just print name. Now we run this, and we give any name. I'm going to say, I don't know, John. So then it's going to print John out here. So that'll be all for today's video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time.